Follow the signs and you'll find the stray animals. The parrot is right up there. Let's go up and save it. The parrot was injured. Let's bring it back for treatment. Little animals need treatment. Let's bring them back to our rescue center. Mew Mew, I'll leave little animals to you. No problem. Which house will the animals live in? Let's choose for them. One of the parrot's wings was broken. Let's give it treatment. The parrot is still weak. We should apply some more drops. That's great! The parrot will be able to fly again. The examination is complete. It's totally healthy now. Let's feed it. Wow, it's ready to be adopted. So adorable. I really like it. Can I take it home? Of course. Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. Great! You're its owner now. Please take good care of it. This pet has moved to a new house. Let's clean up its previous house. This house looks great. The next little animal will be happy to live in it.